Now we will proceed further for IFTT coding. So for it, just go in a Chrome and type iftt.com. So here you can see that iftt.com. This is everything you will get connected with internet through it. Okay, this is a through which we can say that we are connecting through our Google Assistant through IFTT. Okay, so just here give your Gmail ID and it will ask you password. So now here you have to create your applets for creating your program, controlling our program. So just click on a create to create a new applet. Now you are getting to create your own applets if this then that is a IFTT. So just click on this plus symbol or you can click on this also. Okay, so click on this and then work for Google Assistant, search for Google Assistant. So here we are going to control through Google Assistant. So click on Google Assistant. Then we are going to choose a simple phrase. So here you can give a command which you want to give. So turn on LED. Then which another option you want to give, that is just optional only. So I will give LED turn on. Here if you want give, otherwise no need to give. OK. Turning on LED. This is a command which I will get in a reply. Then create trigger. Once you click on create trigger, so here Google Assistant has been added. Now click on then. So click on plus symbol. Now here we need webhook. So click on webhook. Here in webhook we are going to create a web request. This is an action which will make a web request to publicity of URL. Okay, so click here. Once we click here, we have to paste URL. So to paste that URL, this is the URL which we need to get connected with our Blink app. So just copy this URL. This URL I will provide it in a description box. So just paste here. Now this is the URL, this is the IP address which is for a Blink control. Now here you have to write your authentication key. So for my authentication key, this key you have received in your mail. Okay, so I have copied this key we need to copy from our mail. I have copied this key in program also. So I will copy through my program. Otherwise we can copy it through our Gmail also. So you can see that I have copied that here authentication key to control Blink. So now here paste that key, authentication key. Okay, once we press authentication key, then here we have to give a PIN number which we have connected to our what we can say while doing the GPIO connection. So just put here a button that is which we have connected there. So we will give we have connected it to GPIO 4. So we will connect it here. Then here we have to put option, that is a put button. Then here you just select a application JSON file and in body we want to make LED on. So in square bracket inside double quote put 1. We want to make LED on, so put 1 and create action. Okay. Finish. Similarly, after finishing this process, we will connect applet to connect LED off. So this applet is ready. You may say turn on LED. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create another applet to make our LED off. So same process we are going to do. Create if Google Assistant, simple phrase, turn off LED, okay, turning off LED, create, then plus webhook, then we have to put URL here, Control C, put application JSON, body, create, finish. Now our applets are ready. Once this finish process is completed, now we can do a connections. We can see here activity. Our applets are ready. You can see here green symbol. When you are seeing here green symbol, it means your applets are ready. Okay. Turn on LED.
Okay, turning on LED.
Turn off LED.
Okay, I am turning off LED.
Turn on LED.
Okay, turning on LED.
Turn on green LED.
Okay, turning on green LED.
Turn off green LED.
Okay, turning off green LED.
Turn off LED.
Okay, I am turning off LED.
Thank you everyone for watching my channel. If you like this video,